Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In many programming languages, the switch statement provides a way to execute different blocks of code based on the value of a variable. However, there are alternatives to the switch statement that can be more flexible or easier to read, particularly in languages that support functional programming paradigms. Alternatives to the switch statement. 1. If-else statements. This is the most common alternative. You can use a series of if, else if, and else statements to achieve the same functionality as a switch. 2. Dictionary/map of functions. In languages that support first-class functions, like Python or JavaScript, you can use a dictionary or map to associate keys with function references. 3. Polymorphism. In object-oriented programming, you can use polymorphism to handle different behaviors based on the type of an object. 4. Match expressions. Some modern languages, example Rust, Swift, and Python 3.10+, have introduced pattern matching features that are more powerful than traditional switch statements. Example using if-else. Here's a simple example using an if-else statement in Python. Python. Def get_day_name, day_number. If day_number equals 1. Return Monday. If day_number equals 2. Return Tuesday. If day_number equals 3. Return Wednesday. If day_number equals 4. Return Thursday. If day_number equals 5. Return Friday. If day_number equals 6. Return Saturday. If day_number equals 7. Return Sunday. Else. Return invalid day number. Example usage. Print, get_day_name, 3, output, Wednesday. Example using dictionary of functions. Here's how you can use a dictionary of functions in Python. Python. Def Monday. Return Monday. Def Tuesday. Return Tuesday. Def Wednesday. Return Wednesday. Def Thursday. Return Thursday. Def Friday. Return Friday. Def Saturday. Return Saturday. Def Sunday. Return Sunday. Def get_day_name, day_number. Days equals 1. Monday. 2. Tuesday. 3. Wednesday. 4. Thursday. 5. Friday. 6. Saturday. 7. Sunday. Return days.get, day_number, lambda, invalid day number. Example usage. Print, get_day_name, 5, output, Friday. Example using polymorphism, Python. In Python, you can use classes to implement polymorphism. Python. Class day. Def name, self. Raise not implemented error, subclasses should implement this. Class Monday, day. Def name, self. Return Monday. Class Tuesday, day. Def name, self. Return Tuesday. Class day factory. At static method. Def get_day, day_number. If day_number equals 1. Return Monday. If day_number equals 2. Return Tuesday. Add other days as subclasses. Else. Return none. Example usage. Day equals day factory.get_day, 1. If day. Print, day.name, output, Monday. Else. Print, invalid day number. Conclusion. While the switch statement is a convenient way to execute multiple branches based on a variable's value, alternatives like if-else statements, dictionaries of functions, and polymorphism can provide more flexibility and readability, especially in more complex scenarios. Choose the approach that best fits your use case and programming style. Certainly. In many programming languages, a switch statement is used to handle multiple possible execution paths based on the value of a variable. However, there are several alternatives to using a switch statement, including using if-else chains, dictionaries, or maps, and polymorphism. Below, I'll explain these alternatives with code examples in Python. 1. Using if-else chains. An if-else chain can serve as a straightforward alternative to a switch statement. This approach evaluates conditions in sequence until it finds a match. Example asterisk. Python. Def switch underscore example, value. If value equals 1. Return you selected option 1. If value equals 2. Return you selected option 2. If value equals 3. Return you selected option 3. Else. Return invalid option. Test the function. Print, switch underscore example, 1, output, you selected option 1. Print, switch underscore example, 2, output, you selected option 2. Print, switch underscore example, 4, output, invalid option. 2. Using a dictionary, map. In Python, you can use a dictionary to map keys to functions or values, allowing for a cleaner and more scalable approach. Example asterisk. Python. Def option underscore 1. Return you selected option 1. Def option underscore 2. Return you selected option 2. Def option underscore 3. Return you selected option 3. Def switch underscore example, value. Options equals 1, option underscore 1. 2, option underscore 2. 3, option underscore 3. Return options dot get, value, lambda, invalid option. Test the function. Print, switch underscore example, 1, output, you selected option 1. Print, switch underscore example, 2, output, you selected option 2. Print, switch underscore example, 4, output, invalid option. 3. Using polymorphism. If you are working with classes, you can use polymorphism to achieve similar functionality. Each class can have a method that handles a specific case. Example asterisk. Python. Class option. Def execute, self. Raise not implemented error. Class option 1, option. Def execute, self. Return you selected option 1. Class option 2, option. Def execute, self. Return you selected option 2. Class option 3, option. Def execute, self. Return you selected option 3. Def switch underscore example, value. Options equals 1, option 1. 2, option 2. 3, option 3. Return options dot get, value, option, dot execute. Test the function. Print, switch underscore example, 1, output, you selected option 1. Print, switch underscore example, 2, output, you selected option 2. Print, switch underscore example, 4, output, will raise not implemented error. Conclusion. While the switch statement is a useful control structure, These alternatives can provide more flexibility and readability in different contexts. The choice of which alternative to use often depends on the specific requirements of your code, such as the number of branches, the complexity of the conditions, and the potential for future expansion.